Hello everyone, this is Preeti Sharma and I'm back with another video on our channel Mindzilla. We rise by lifting others. So everyone, कल आपको याद होगा हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो जो अपलोड हुआ था उसमें हमने सिलेबस डिस्कस किया था फॉर SSB 4th class. And today I am going to start with the first topic, that is articles. So this is very basic topic, and yes, one more thing that I wanted to clarify. Guys, see, you know this already, हर competitive exam का अलग अलग level है, and because of that only now आपका ये जो JK SSB 4th class का एग्ज़ाम आ जाता है, इसका इंग्लिश का सिलेबस बहुत बेसिक है, राइट? And that is why whatever we are going to study, that's going to be very basic only, according to the pattern of your exam, according to the previous papers. उसी के हिसाब से I'm going to pick the topics, I'm going to pick the grammar, right? But for other competitive exams हम बाद में videos और upload करेंगे, right? This particularly is for JK SSB 4th class, right? Okay, so now guys, articles, very simple topic, something that you have been studying from your childhood. If I am not wrong, आर्टिकल्स हमारे सिलेबस में सेकेंड थर्ड क्लास से स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. बट द थिंग इज़ व्हेन इट कम्स टू कॉम्पिटिटिव हम लोग हमेशा कन्फ्यूजन में रहते हैं, हाउ टू डू इट, व्हाट हैज़ टू बी फॉलोड, व्हाट रूल्स आर टू बी फॉलोड, and you know, they ask tricky questions in paper. So that is why let's have a quick revision, or we can say let's just quickly study and go through this topic, articles. So everyone, now articles, first of all, here I have written there are three articles, a and the, right? And how these are divided, a and आपका ये आपका indefinite articles में आ जाता है, and then the it comes in definite articles. If I ask an important question here now, what is the need of articles, what is their purpose, what do they do? So basically guys, articles हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? There is a very simple purpose, that they specify a noun, right? They specify whether something is singular or plural, whether it is important or not important, right? And whether something is particular or vague, right? So that is basically the purpose for which we have articles. So now everyone, coming to indefinite and definite article, and yes, nowadays people say there is fourth type of article too, which is zero article or no article, but I want to clarify it here. ज़ीरो आर्टिकल या नो आर्टिकल, ऐसा कोई आर्टिकल नहीं है. इट्स सिंपल हेयर, जब हम कोई आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, नीदर ए nor and nor the, right? That particular situation, in that situation we say it is zero article or no article, right? अगर आपके एग्ज़ाम के अकॉर्डिंग बात की जाए, राइट, कॉम्पिटिटिव के हिसाब से सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट आपके आर्टिकल हैं द एंड ज़ीरो आर्टिकल. बट येस, हम ये नहीं बोल सकते हैं श्योरली डेफिनेटली कि आपका ए एंड से कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. ऑफ कोर्स सम क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम ए एंड टू, राइट? सो दैट इज़ व्हाई first I'm going to begin with a and we will have a brief discussion on it, right? जबकि the और zero के लिए हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे, right? So first of all guys, let me talk about a and an. So every one of you may already know this now. A and both of them give the same meaning, one, right? One, it means one. So if its meaning is one, it shows that this is used for singular nouns only, right? Singular nouns के साथ जब यूज़ हो जाता है, हमें confusion कहाँ आती है? हम बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, आर्टिकल्स ए को लगाएंगे, जो भी वर्ड्स वॉवल के साथ स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं उनके साथ ए एन लगा देंगे, जो भी कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है उसके साथ ए लगा देंगे. बट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग, राइट? दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे ऑफ फॉलोइंग रूल्स फॉर ए एंड एन. सो व्हाट इज द राइट थिंग नाउ? A and an, right? Both are used for singular words, right? Singular nouns, right? But the thing is, A is always used with singular consonant sounded words, right? Now another question that rises in my mind, right, and that will rise in your minds too, right? What is the question? Consonant sounded words, this term and this term, vowel sounded words, what exactly are they? So let's talk it in this way now. ये जो दो वर्ड्स लिखे हैं मैंने आपके लिए बोर्ड पे, राइट, दिस इज द एक्चुअल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ यूजिंग ए एंड एन, राइट. वो फॉलो करना कि वॉवल के साथ स्टार्ट होगा, कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ स्टार्ट होगा, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग एंड दैट इज वाई वी ऑफन मिस्टेक वाइल अटेम्प्टिंग द पेपर. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, right, that there are two types of words. One are consonant sounded, another vowel sounded words. So what are they now? First of all, every one of you please try to understand the concept of these two words, right? First of all, see, there are 26 alphabets in our English language, right? Now those 26 alphabets, they are also divided into different groups, right? We have vowels, we have semi-vowels, we have consonants too, right? Now vowels जो हैं आपके, ये vowels क्यों बनते हैं, कैसे बनते हैं, what is the reason कि सिर्फ यही 5 vowels हैं? So the thing is, these 5 vowels, they help in making sound, right? And that is basically they make sound. They are responsible for making sound in any word, and that is the reason only these 5 are considered as vowels. So now everyone, look at the board please. These 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, they do not always function as vowels. There are sometimes जब ये vowel sound नहीं देते हैं, right? अब सबसे पहले हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए कि vowel sounds क्या हैं, right? Now if you look at the board, right? See, English language में vowel के sounds को कैसे describe किया जाता है? With the help of phonetics, right? But अगर मैं board पे phonetics लिखती हूँ, आपको समझने में दिक्कत हो सकती है, right? It can be little tricky for you. So that is why I've written the sounds in Hindi. So let's have a quick look, right? A, for A we consider the vowel sound A and A. It's A. And you might have noticed this too. जब भी कोई word A से start होता है, उसकी sound या तो A आती है या तो A, right? For E we consider the sound E or E, right? Then for I we consider the sound I, right? O, ow, right? And for U we say okay? So the thing is, ये जो इनकी sounds आ गई, okay? The ones that I've written in Hindi, इन्हीं sounds को हम कहते हैं vowel sounds, okay? These sounds are called vowel sounds, right? Now those words, okay, which give their first sound any of these sound, ठीक है? कोई भी वर्ड जिसको हम रीड करें, उसकी फर्स्ट साउंड इनमें से कोई एक है, ओके? दैट वर्ड इज कॉल्ड वॉवल साउंडेड वर्ड. ऑलराइट, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. एनी वर्ड, ओके, विच ऑन रीडिंग गिव्स द फर्स्ट साउंड वन ऑफ दीज Hindi, what do we call them? Okay, whatever, one of these Hindi word, right? That word would be called vowel sounded word, alright? And then what are consonant sounded words? इसी का opposite, okay? कोई भी ऐसे words जिनकी first sound इनमें से कोई ना हो, consonant sound हो, right? That would be called consonant sounded word. Alright everyone, so this is basically the concept, ठीक है? एंड हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी हमारे पास नाउन्स आ जाते हैं सिंगुलर, राइट, एंड जहाँ पे हमें उनका नंबर भी स्पेसिफाई करना है, वहाँ वी यूज ए विथ सिंगुलर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंडेड वर्ड्स, ऑलराइट, एंड देन and with singular vowel sounded words. I hope now the concept of vowel sounded words and consonant sounded words is clear to you, right? Let's take some examples for your better understanding. Okay, for example, if I write his father is blank MLA, okay? Now what would we write here? An MLA. See guys, अभी डिस्कस किया था फर्स्ट साउंड MLA. When we say MLA, the first sound is a. Okay, that is why what would be apply here? An MLA. Okay, not a MLA, it would be an MLA. I hope that is clear to you, right? In the same way, when we say, okay, in the same way you might have noticed yourself, he is blank SHO. Again, when you read it, when you speak it, the first sound is S, air, right? So that is why again an will be used here. I hope it is clear to you now, right? Another, let's take one more example. So when we say I meet him twice blank year. So guys, now see, year, the pronunciation of this word is year. Okay, it's not air, it's year, right? That's why what would we use here? A year. Okay, a, not an, right? So basically, what do you have to remember? When we apply a or an with any word, what matters is the sound of that word, right? It does not matter what does the word start with, right? जो आपके दिमाग में बचपन से concept बनाया जा रहा है, that concept is wrong, right? What matters is what is the sound of that word, whether it is vowel sounded word or consonant sounded word, right? So I hope the concept of a and an, it is clear to you all. Let's go for the now, right? And yes, do remember, it's not necessary that question will be asked from the and zero article only. You need to understand this too, right? Anything can be asked, right? But yes, I would say importantly that questions come mostly from the and zero article only. Alright guys, we just discussed a and an. So now let's continue with article the. So the thing is, the is the most important article, right? And as you can see, here I've written definite, right? And here it is indefinite. Let me make it clear to you all why are they indefinite and why is the definite article. So guys, the thing is, when we use a and an, we use them for indefinite nouns, right? When we say, suppose if I say, she is a sweet girl. Okay, let's take a very simple example. She is a sweet girl, right? A sweet girl. Now who is this girl? I did not specify it, right? There is no idea among so many girls which girl am I talking about, right? That is why a and an, they are used for indefinite nouns and they are themselves called indefinite articles. Clear? Now coming to the, as I said, the most important article, and it's called definite article. Why is it called definite article now? The thing is, whenever we use the with any noun, it specifies that noun. Suppose if I say, I know the man who stole the jewelry, right? Suppose this is the example that I take. I know the man who stole the jewelry. Now, when I say the man, right, I have specified that this man is the one who stole the jewelry, right? So, which means among so many men, I know the one particular man that I am talking about, right? So, that is why the becomes our definite article. Coming to its uses now. See, it has got many important uses, but I would start with the easy ones, the one that you have studied earlier too. So first of all, if you look at the board, right, the first usage that is mentioned here is that the is used before the names of oceans, rivers, gulfs, right, well-known buildings, deserts, right, names of newspapers, magazines, right? These are very simple ones. ये uses आप पहले से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, right? This is very simple one, that it is used with names of such and such things. If you look at closely at the board, I have written some names, some you already know yourself, right? For example now, with the name of ocean, the Pacific Ocean, right? With the name of mountain ranges, right? Yes, here you need to understand the difference. Mountain and mountain ranges, there is a huge difference. When I say mountain, that means one single mountain. When I say mountain ranges, that means a range, a chain of mountains, right? So when we say Mount Everest, we only say Mount Everest, right? No article is used with that. When we say the Himalayas, that is a chain of mountains, and that is why it becomes the Himalayas. Alright everyone? In the same way with the names of deserts, the Sahara Desert, right? We say the name of newspapers, the Hindu, the Times of India, right? In that way we use well-known buildings, this you already know, right? The Taj Mahal, important events, all those historical important events, right, that took place in the past, right? To refer to that events also we use the. For example, the French Revolution, right? I would say the French Revolution because it was one of its kind, right? It happened in the past and a very popular and important event. So that is why the French Revolution, right? In the same way, there are many more important things, right? With their names also we use the. Alright guys, so this one I do not have to put much stress on because you studied this earlier too, and I hope it is now clear to you. Come to second usage, before the names of things, one of their kind. Now guys see, this earth, it's full of variety, right? But there are certain things which are present in one number only or which are unique in their own way, right? With such unique things also we use the, right? Now let's just start thinking about what's unique, right? First of all, the earth, right? Earth is the only planet where life exists, so obviously it is unique. The earth, the sun, the moon, right? In the same way, when we say Prime Minister, he's one person, right? So the Prime Minister, the President, the Governor, right? In that way, with the things, one of their kind, we use with them also the, right? अब यहाँ पे आके एक confusion भी create होता है, right? What is the confusion now? See, I'm sorry, the marker is not working. Okay, so here, if I write God. So guys, the thing is, when we say God, right? When we say God, we all feel like God is also unique, one of his kind, right? So God के साथ भी शायद the use होना चाहिए, right? But the thing is, God is the most supreme, right? उनके साथ हमें the use करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. God is a unique word in its own, right? So that is why with God we do not apply any article, right? Neither the, nor a and, nor anything, right? Simply zero article, it remains God only, right? But yes, when it comes to devil, with devil now, see, when we are not talking about specific devil, but we are referring to someone as devil, right? तब हम devil के साथ a use कर सकते हैं, okay? For example, I know a girl or a boy, right, who is little evilish, right? जिसका थोड़ा सा काम करने का तरीका सही नहीं है, okay? And I want to refer to him as a devil, right? So I would say she is such a devil, right? I am not calling that person, I'm not talking about the devil himself, but उस person को refer कर रही हूँ as devil, right? So that is why A, okay? But when we refer to the devil, the demon, right, then we write the, okay? At that time, devil takes the, okay? The devil, right? So the thing is, why do we write the devil? God के साथ the नहीं आ रहा है, but devil के साथ the आ रहा है. ऐसा क्यों होता है अब? Because I just explained, God इतना powerful word है, right, that it does not have to take any article, right? But devil के साथ क्यों द आ जाता है? Now if we look at Bible or other older books, what do they say? उनके accordingly, when there was a fight between God and the devil, right? Devil भी God की equality पे आ गया. It did not come to it does not mean he was literally equal to God. It simply means that वो fight कर रहा है, so एक equality पे आ गया. His level also increased, so that is why we say the devil, right? And then if we say Lord, then also we can write the Lord. Okay, the Lord, the devil, but only God. No the God, only God, right? So this is how we write the with the things one of their kind. I hope this is clear to you all. And now let's move on to third usage of the. Right everyone? So everyone, let's begin with now the third usage for article the. So now coming to the third and most important usage of article the. Actually I had to discuss it before, but then I thought of revising you whatever you studied earlier. So now let's come to this most important usage of the. Right? Uses with particular things or persons, right, we are talking about, right? So basically the का सबसे important usage क्या आ जाता है? That it is used with particular things or persons, right? See, जब भी हम किसी particular person की बात करते हैं, right? I discussed it before also, right? जब भी particular किसी को आपको specify करना है, right? Suppose there are hundreds of people sitting over here, right? Now उन 100 में से मुझे जो particularly एक person की बात करनी है, right? What would I do? I would give some reference about that person first of all, right? जब मैंने उसके बारे में reference दे दिया, right? तब वो पर्सन क्या बन जाता है? पर्टिकुलर बन जाता है. सी वाई एम आई एक्सप्लेनिंग? बिकॉज यूजुअली बच्चों को पर्टिकुलर कैसे पिक करना है ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में नहीं आता है. राइट नाउ लेट्स टेक इट एग्जाम्पल अगेन. ओके, सपोज हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल आर सिटिंग हियर. राइट, आउट ऑफ दैट 100, right, I have to talk about one particular person. Right, all the 100 people are wearing the same clothes. Right, now what is the option? That I would have to give some reference about that person. If I do not know his name, कुछ ना कुछ उसके बारे में reference देना पड़ेगा, तब वो क्या बन जाएगा? particular. Right, so the thing is, जो भी आपकी particular चीज़ें या फिर people, okay, आ जाते हैं, उनके साथ भी हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? the. Right, और वो particular कैसे बन जाते हैं? when we give some reference about them. Right, now as I was saying, if I say I know the boy who topped the class. Right, now there are so many boys in the class, but when I say I know the boy who topped the class, I have given this reference that this boy, he topped the class, right? And that is how he became important, particular, right? And वही reference देके मैंने उसको important बना दिया, right? And that is why we used the, because out of so many people we are talking about one particular person, right? In the same way, when we say, okay, let's take it example, give me the book. Okay, let's take it like this. Give me the book which I gave you yesterday. So now here guys, the book, right? We again use the here. Why? Because book became particular here, right? I gave a reference which I gave you yesterday, right? जो मैंने कल दी है वो book वापस दो, right? So that is how it became particular, right? So the method of analyzing how a thing becomes particular, it's simple. Whenever some reference is given about that person और थिंग, राइट, उसके बारे में पहले से कुछ लिखा हुआ मिला है, कुछ रेफरेंस दिया हुआ है, तब वो आपकी चीज़ क्या बन जाती है? पर्टिकुलर. एंड एट दैट टाइम वी यूज द विद इट. ओके, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यूसेज दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ वुमन. ओके, आई से I met a woman in the bus, right? She was carrying a bag and an umbrella in her hand, right? Now if I have to talk again about this woman, I would not say a woman, right? I would say the woman got off the bus at this particular station, right? I would say the woman. Why? Because I have already given a reference about her, right? So this is what you need to keep in your mind, that we use the for particular things, and वो particular कैसे बनती हैं? When some reference about them is given. Clear? This is an important usage and you must remember it all the time, right? Very important usage for the. Alright, now come to the fourth usage. Okay, what's the fourth usage now? With the superlatives of adjectives, right? As we discussed it earlier also, the is used with mostly important things, right? जिस चीज़ को भी important बनाना है, right, particular बनाना है, हम the use कर देते हैं, ठीक है? And mostly what is our point of view? हम लोगों को क्या लगता है? सबके साथ the लगा दो, right? But the thing is, the is used only with important things, right? Particular. Need to remember the word particular, right? Now this is another usage, right, that it is used with superlative degree adjectives. So guys, every one of you may already know what adjectives are. Adjective is any word that qualifies, that adds to a noun or pronoun, right? उसकी कोई भी क्वालिटी बताता है, उसके बारे में कुछ भी एड ऑन करता है, राइट? सो नाउ आपके जो एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, दे आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 कैटेगरीज, ओके? पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव, राइट? पॉजिटिव, शी इज अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल, राइट? कंपैरेटिव, शी इज मोर ब्यूटिफुल देन नेहा, ओके? सुपरलेटिव, शी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल, राइट? सो द थिंग इज, जब हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री तक आते हैं, वो चीज़ आपकी सबसे बेस्ट बन जाती है. गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, राइट? जब बेस्ट बन गई, देन इट मीन्स इट हैज़ बिकम इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट? So that is why with all the superlative degree adjectives, what do we use? The, right? For example, he is the most annoying boy of the class, right? Most annoying, right? Most आ गया, which means it is supreme, superlative, so that is why the, okay? So another usage that you need to remember is that we use the with superlative degree adjectives, right guys? I'm writing one example here. See, for example, thin, okay, thinner, thinnest. This you already understand. ये आप पहले भी समझते हैं कि ये आपकी degrees आ गई, okay? This is positive, right? Comparative, and this one is superlative, right? This you already understand. Now the thing is, जो भी आपकी superlative है, वो सबसे supreme है, most important, and that is why with that we use the, okay? He is the cleverest boy of the class. Cleverest, right? Supreme, right? That is why, right? I have stuck in the worst situation, right? Worst, again superlative, so that is why the, right everyone? So you need to remember this also, right? That superlative degree adjectives के साथ हमेशा the use होता है. Alright everyone? So that is, and yes, one more thing is there. जब हम comparative में कुछ phrases लिखते हैं, right? तब भी compare करते time we use the, not always, okay? Comparatives में हमेशा the use नहीं होता है, only when you're writing some certain phrases, okay? For example, if I write the more, the better. Now this is a phrase, okay? This is a phrase, right? यहाँ पे आपका comparative के साथ भी the use हो रहा है, right? Only in phrases हम the को ऐसे use करते हैं with comparatives. Otherwise, the is only used with superlative degree adjectives, right? Understand the difference? Comparatives में only in phrases, right? I hope this is clear to you. And now let's move on to our next usage for the. So we just discussed 4 uses for the. Now let's move on to next usage of article the. when a singular noun stands for the whole class. So now everyone, when we talk about some profession, okay, when we talk about some group of people working together, organization maybe, right, or when we talk about people belonging to the same class, right, then also we use the to refer to that class, right. Of course that class is singular only, one particular class, but the thing is we use the to specify it. For example, the rich must help the poor. Now why do we say the rich here? Because here rich does not mean one particular rich man, it refers to whole class, right. In the same way the poor, right, the disabled, right. In the same way if we talk about other professions, right, the army, the navy, right, because we are talking about one particular class, one particular profession, right, by using one singular noun, right. Here also in such situations we use the, right. Now coming to next usage for the, to make a proper noun common. So now guys, let's talk about what is common noun and what is proper noun. See, we have 5 types of noun, right. First of all there is proper noun. So what is proper noun? A name of a particular person or thing, particular, right, which means it should not be same for everyone. It's unique name, right. For example, my name is Preeti, your name might be Rahul, Amit, okay, Akanksha or something, right. So now the thing is that are proper nouns, right. When we talk about common noun is a common name given to the people of same class, okay, or same gender, okay. For example, men, right, that's one gender. All the men, they have same characteristic features, right. So that is why we say men, common noun. Women in the same way, common noun. So now everyone, what usage have I written here? यहाँ मैंने लिखा है to make a proper noun common, ठीक है. जब हम एक proper noun को common noun की तरह present करते हैं, right, then also we use the, okay. For example, let's take example of Shakespeare, okay. We say Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. राइट अब यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कंफ्यूजन हो सकती है, ठीक है. कंफ्यूजन क्यों हो सकती है? वी से दैट वी डू नॉट राइट द विद द नेम ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और प्लेस, राइट. किसी भी प्लेस, किसी भी पर्सन के नाम के साथ हम द को यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, राइट. ऑफ कोर्स कुछ कंट्रीज़ के नाम के साथ हम यूज़ करते हैं, राइट, बट दैट कंट्रीज़ ऑल्सो जो एक बहुत सारी स्टेट्स की कलेक्शन है, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, नाउ इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टेट्स, so that is why we say the United States of America. Otherwise with names of place, right, हम कभी भी कोई आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. कल भी हम ये अगली वीडियो में डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ मैं, ओके. ज़ीरो आर्टिकल में भी डिस्कस होगा, बट येस हेयर ऑल्सो आई एम मेकिंग इट क्लियर, किसी भी पर्सन के नाम के साथ या फिर किसी भी कंट्री के नाम के साथ अदर देन सम एक्सेप्शनल केसेस हम द को यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, राइट. नाउ हेयर the example, if you see, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. So everyone, Kalidas proper noun, Shakespeare proper noun, right. अब यहाँ पे हमारा the क्यों आया, right, because here we are comparing Kalidas and Shakespeare, right. यहाँ पे we are not saying कि Kalidas ही Shakespeare हैं, we are simply comparing that just like Shakespeare is such a popular English writer, in the same way Kalidas is also a very popular Indian writer. Their skills are same, they are equally popular, right. उसी बेसिस पे हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं that Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India, right. It was a proper noun, but यहाँ पे हमने उसको क्या बना दिया, common, right. So in such cases also when we make a proper noun common, right, with that particular noun also we use the. I hope this is clear. When we make a proper noun common, then also we use the, right. All right, everyone. Come to now next usage. The is used with the name of a community. Okay. Direction, family names. Actually, there are so and so on. With बहुत सारे ऐसे epithets भी होते हैं जिनके साथ हम the use करते हैं. Okay, I'll come to that point later. First, let's discuss this. Okay. Community, right? When we talk about religious community, the Hindus, right? We say the Hindus, right? When we talk about Muslim community, we say the Muslims, the Christians, the Jains, right? The Sikhs, right? So when we talk about people of some community, particular community, right? Then also we use the, all right? Then with the name of a direction, right? तब भी हम क्या यूज करते हैं the. Okay, with the name of any direction. The sun rises in the east, right? The west, the south, the northern India, right? The southern plateau, right? So in that way, with the name of directions also we use the, all right? Then with the names of family names. Okay, now what are family names? Suppose some families they're carrying the surname Malhotra, right? So we can give that family name the, we can add on to it, right? The Malhotras, when we are referring to the whole family, the Sharmas, right? The Sheikhs, right? The Khans, right? In that way, we can use the to refer to a family, okay, by using the family name. All right, everyone. Now, let's come to the point जो मैं पहले डिस्कस कर रही थी, epithet. ओके, सो बहुत सारे पर्सनालिटीज़ के नाम होते हैं, ओके, जिनके नाम के साथ हम एडजेक्टिव भी ऐड करते हैं, ओके, एंड जो वो एडजेक्टिव ऐड होता है उसी को हम कहते हैं एपिथेट. ओके, सो एपिथेट इज बेसिकली एन एडजेक्टिव दैट वी ऐड टू समवन्स नेम. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एलेक्जेंडर, राइट? व्हेन वी राइट एलेक्जेंडर, राइट, हम लिखते हैं आगे अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट, राइट? In the same way, Ashok, right, the great, okay? In the same way, many other such names are written जिनके साथ हम कोई ना कोई epithet use करते हैं, right? उन epithets को भी specify करने के लिए हम the use करते हैं, right? As I gave you example, Alexander the Great. अब यहाँ पे आपका the क्यों आया? Because we were specifying it. Alright, so everyone, in this video I talked about mostly the uses of all the articles, right? A and the सारे articles cover किए हैं आज के वीडियो में हमने, right? आपने A and में क्या सीखा? That A और and they are both singulars, right? Their meaning is one and दोनों को ही singular nouns के साथ use किया जाता है, right? And the difference is A is used with consonant sounded words and is used with vowel sounded words. And आज के वीडियो में I gave you a very simple trick to know what is consonant sounded word, what is vowel sounded word, right? Then we also studied the important usages of the, right? The जैसे मैंने आपको start में बताया था, the most important article it is, right? And in the same way zero article is equally important, but zero article को हम अगले वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. आज के लिए let me revise you the again. The के हमने क्या क्या uses पढ़े हैं आज? That the is used with the names of important places, deserts, gulfs, mountain ranges, right? Deserts and so many things, right? Important events, right? Then we also studied that the is used with superlative degree adjectives, unique things, right? Particular things. With epithets हम the को use करते हैं, comparative में हम कभी कभी the को use करते हैं, right? And most importantly, right, the के जो uses हैं, ठीक है, वो किस पे depend करते हैं? How we are presenting some particular noun, right? अगर हम किसी को specify कर रहे हैं, whether that's a family, whether that's a profession, whether that's a person or something else, right? In that case we apply the, right? ये जो हमारा point of view है, हमारा perspective है, that the can be applied to anything, right? That perception is wrong, right? We need to get rid of that. रूल्स के हिसाब से चलेंगे, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, तभी आप लोग एग्जाम में भी स्कोर कर पाओगे. सो एवरीवन, you can go through the video, right, and watch all the uses again, right? And if you were not able to understand anything, please comment in the comment section, right? Add your comments. For any queries you can contact us, right? The details of page, app and everything is mentioned in this on the screen, so go for it, right? Whatever doubts are there, please share your doubts. If there was some another problem that you face, अगर आपको लैंग्वेज से कोई दिक्कत आ रही है, anything, right? नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वी विल स्टडी जीरो आर्टिकल्स, द और जीरो आर्टिकल को कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट किया जाता है. एग्जाम्स के कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके सामने सॉल्व करूंगी, राइट, इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. फॉर टुडे लेट्स कीप इट दिस मच ओनली. आई रियली होप you understood everything, right? And yes, I will be waiting for your comments, right? Your positive as well as negative comments are most welcomed. जो भी आपको problems हैं, you can share them. And yes, as I said in my last video too, that Mindzilla is also available now on the Play Store. So guys, go ahead, download it and enjoy all the videos, right? Of course, not just enjoy, you gotta study, you gotta work hard if you want to get the job, right? So everyone, please subscribe, like and share the video, right? And please download the app also, Mindzilla. We rise by lifting others. Thank you everyone.